RiskyProject allows you to track actual project performance while taking into account risks and uncertainties. The results are then presented in tracking charts, where you can view forecasted project and task durations and finish times. When you define the project schedule for each input task, you may enter the % completed by a specified status date. Using this information, RiskyProject calculates the forecasted duration for each task. If a task has risks and uncertainties, you will be able to view the low, base, and high forecasted duration for each task. In this chart, the red line represents the original schedule. The green line represents the actual values. The solid blue line represents the base forecast. The two dashed blue lines represent the low and high forecasts. When your project progresses, you can enter the % completed for the different status dates. RiskyProject will then recalculate the forecasted duration for the task. The uncertainty fork will become narrow when the task progresses. Tracking information for the whole project is presented on the Tracking view under the Tracking tab on the toolbar. This chart also allows you to view tracking data for each project milestone.